Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover. Thank you guys once again for tuning into this amazing new video here, guys. Today we will be specifically talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and the reason why we are currently seeing a reversal, and of course the potential price targets that we can be heading towards in the coming weeks. So guys, if you're a Bitcoin or Ethereum hoarder, you should be definitely watching this video till the end, because yes, this is an extreme important video. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video. But before, make sure to right away smash up that like button. And as well, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to the channel here, guys. Let's go for 400 likes on the video. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so right now. So let me talk right away about Bitcoin, guys. What are we seeing with Bitcoin? People are, of course, all the people that were panic selling over here, guys, all the people that were panic selling their Bitcoin on these lower levels right now feel terrible, and they're exactly buying over here once again back. So is this a thing that we expected? Yes, this is truly a thing that we expected. And of course, currently, if you go to CoinMarketCap, guys, there is so much green across the border. There is so much green, and I can't believe it. Of course, I do like it, of course. You can see Ethereum, of course, 23% towards the upside. You can see BNB 26%, Cardano also bouncing up very significantly. XRP once again trading above the $1 once again here, and I have still extremely good expectations for XRP. And maybe later today I will be making a dedicated video about it. But guys, it looks extremely good here in my opinion, and I can't wait to see what it is going to do here. But of course, Bitcoin is the leading indicator, what is once again leading the pump. But what are we running into right now? Do we want to be extremely bullish or extremely bearish? And first of all, I mean, yes, I've been extremely bullish the whole time that we were dropping off in this period over here, and I was saying to everyone, you should not be on the side of the panic sellers, because then you're going to go to Rack City. And you can see over here as well, the fear and the greed index was sitting on 10 right now. Of course, it bounced back to 22 here, because there is coming some good news out. Because guys, of course, the first reason where so much people were in fear is because Elon Musk drove the fear a little bit here. But right now, Michael Saylor and Elon Musk had a meeting, and they discussed something about the miners in North America. They're also going to form a mining council to promote energy usage transparency and, of course, accelerate the sustainable energy uses for miners. So is this a good thing? This is extremely bullish. I mean, a miner console, it will be exactly what Bitcoin needs right now. This will be even driving more FOMO into the market, guys. I mean, people, are you still on the wrong side here? This is, of course, helping to push the price up a little bit here. This is retaining the faith. And all the people that were saying Bitcoin is dead in my comments the whole time, they're going to buy back once Bitcoin is sitting on 50K, maybe 60K, maybe 70K, you don't even know, because look at how fast Bitcoin is bouncing just exactly. Let me see, 30% towards the upside in such a rapid pace, guys. That is just Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. You can see a 29% approximately pump in just a matter of 1 day and 8 hours. It is just how Bitcoin can be reacting. And as well, guys, yesterday we discussed it. We've broke through the final resistance line that we were looking at, and this resistance line was, of course, the most important line in my opinion to break. And since right now seeing the breakthrough of this resistance line, guys, you can see multiple things playing out for Bitcoin. And let me go into my exact price targets, etc. And the things that why I will be looking out for today is, of course, first of all, yes, we broke the downtrend. We are currently setting a higher high on this chart, and a higher high is, of course, signifying that we are starting an uptrend. And of course, we have not seen the higher low candle confirmed here, but this can be a good possibility for a higher low structure right now. First of all, the higher high is getting utilized. That's, of course, very important. Besides that, guys, you can see over here, massive level of resistance. We are currently having a retest of this level. Is this a good accumulation level? Yes, it is. And I mean, yes, the most important level that we have to be breaking through is still, just like I told you guys yesterday on the video, 40 towards 42K here. This will be one of my most interesting targets that I want to be seeing a breakthrough of. If we can't see a breakthrough towards this level, see a rejection, yes, we are, of course, going lower. But in my opinion, we can, of course, break through it, but it's not an easy level. And you can see right away here for the past, approximately 12 hours or so, we were getting rejected by this level. Is this likely to expect? Yes, to completely. Is it bad? No, not necessarily. And the reason why here, let me go to a clear chart here. Guys, I've been talking about it yesterday as well in the video. I've been talking about the RSI and the momentum that we are currently having. And of course, the momentum that we are currently going to play with. And let me make this one like this once again. And like I was yesterday talking about the 50 index in the RSI index, and the 50 is very important. And the reason why here is always once we're trading above the 50, we are in an uptrend. Once we're trading below the 50, we are in a downtrend. And this, of course, on the macro screen on the 4-hour. You can be also using this on the daily. The daily standing is exactly the same here. You can see downtrend, downtrend, and here uptrend, uptrend. It is very easy to say here. And I mean, right now, guys, it looks to be that the downtrend, of course, is over, and that we are right now entering a new space towards the upside for the 4-hour. So yeah, I do expect that we will be we will be going overbought anytime soon once again, and we will be bouncing in a very rapid pace towards the upside. And just like I told you as well with my tweet that I was doing yesterday, yes, I do think that we're going to see a new all-time high, but in which pace here? Are we going to see it within the coming 2 months? At least in the coming 3 months, we're definitely going to see a new all-time high. That is a fact that I'm currently saying to you guys. That's my expectation, first of all. Within 3 months, we're going to see a new all-time high, but especially if Bitcoin can break through this level. The last time that we did so, the last time that we broke through this level, we were seeing right away a 39% surge in just a matter of 12 days here, and I definitely think that is not even an unrealistic target. And I was also yesterday looking at this rising wedge scenario, guys, and if I look to the rising wedge scenario, you can see if in order to reach the price target, we still will be seeing another 10% surge. And are we going to reach it? Yes, I do think, and I do expect that we can be reaching this level here. And guys, also for the Bitcoin dominance, before going into exact Ethereum, etc., because first I like to discuss Bitcoin, after that going into Ethereum. I can see, guys, we almost exactly touched our levels, because we were talking, of course, about the 50% getting touched here before this gray box getting touched there. You want to be looking to go a little bit more into altcoins, and you can see this was for major previous resistance, but you can see we were about to touch this level, and since then, of course, corrected so significantly, and that's because, yeah, the altcoins are, of course, once again pumping towards the upside, and that we are just getting started, and that is, of course, the fact that you want to be knowing here. If you're on the wrong side, you're not going to crush the market. But, guys, let me also go into my second theory, why I don't think the Bitcoin run is over here. And my second theory here is, guys, the Elliott wave structure that we were first looking at. We were looking, let me look at this Elliott wave, impulsive wave structure towards the upside. And, guys, if you know how to play with Elliott wave structures, you also know that we are also always going to see an ABC correction wave after an Elliott wave towards the upside. And this ABC correction wave is exactly done right now. And we've seen the two waves getting created towards the downside. We have seen the extreme fear in the market. And we are also seeing the biggest players, the biggest institutions right now stepping into Bitcoin. And that is the reason, guys. That is my reason why I should be still saying the bull market is not even close to be done here. And as well, after such an ABC correction, guys, we can be looking for higher prices. And here, of course, this was in the macro screen here, ABC correction over here after an Elliott wave up here, also five impulsive waves towards the upside. So this is, of course, a thing that you want to be embracing here. You want to be knowing how the market structure works here. Yeah, after such an ABC correction, we can be looking for another Elliott wave towards the upside. And I mean, yeah, guys, with the next wave that we are going to create here, we're just going to see a new all-time high, and that is just a fact that I want to be seeing here. And I mean, yes, there are, of course, major levels of resistance ahead of us. We have to clear a lot of important levels. I mean, this will be also the 46 towards the 48K will be a massive important level that we have to be breaking through. And as well here, the level that we're currently trading at, this is also an insane important level that we have to be breaking through. But between these levels as well here, guys, we will be probably rising very quickly. So, I mean, yes, I look forward towards what we are going to do here. Next major target. First, I want to be seeing, of course, a breakthrough of this level around to 40 towards 42K here. But then my next realistic target is right away around the 47K, etc. So, guys, yeah, of course, once I'm seeing a clear exact price target right now, of course, I want to just be seeing the breakthrough. And if we can be seeing the breakthrough, we can be looking for higher prices. But if we're going to see so, we still are looking to the falling wedge here, but if we are going to break through this blue box here, yeah, guys, I will be, of course, updating you guys right away with another stream or video. Today I'm still quite busy. I have to still do some things here in the Netherlands once again, and also I think I want to be saying, guys, if you go to the highest link in the description currently, you can be joining the training challenge, training competition here on Bybit. And this competition can be giving us up to 1 BTC prize pool here. So that will be, of course, very amazing if you're right now going to join it. I mean, if you're already trading why should you be just not signing up with this training competition so you can gain some extra BTC? And also, if you haven't already, make sure to sign up with Bybit right now here, because then you're getting $2,610 deposit bonus. And that link in the description, that's also a link in the description that you can find, and also the pinned comments in the comment section. But guys, let me right now talk about Ethereum, because yes, Ethereum has been also seeing in a very interesting price chart, because yes, guys, if we look to Ethereum, guys, we can see 23% increasement where Bitcoin is only increasing 9%. So what is this telling us? This is once again telling us that we are seeing an increasement compared to Bitcoin. And have I not warned you guys? Have I not warned you guys about this specific golden pocket target for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin? I think I have warned you guys plenty enough of times. And what you can see right now here is, of course, that we are seeing, this level getting touched and right away seeing a rejection. So is this a worse thing to see here? Is this a bad thing to see here? No, not necessarily. Can we still be breaking through this level? For sure. Is this major resistance? For sure as well. So yeah, if we can be breaking through this level, guys, I will be, of course, flipping extremely bullish. But yeah, if we're going to right now create some volatility towards the downside, we're setting a lower high and as well getting rejected by the golden pocket entry. So yeah, the 0.697 has to be broken through here with the 4 hourly candles, in my opinion. I want to be seeing a clear close above it, and then we can be definitely looking to maybe accumulate more positions in Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. So yes, it has been bouncing since it was, of course, breaking through the blue box once again here. You can see major previous resistance, finding support on this level, right away blasted off towards the upside. And right now, I just want to be seeing, of course, a breakthrough of the 0.382 here. But in general, guys, I think 90% as well of the altcoins will be recovering very quickly, because, yeah, guys, the faith is just returning into the market. Always once there is such high levels of fear, people, the weekends tend to sell out of the market, and then the strong hands entered, and right now the weekends are just going to buy back here because they still have paper hands, and on the next drop off they will be dropping their Ethereum or Bitcoin off once again here. But of course, for me, it will be very important to look at the technicals, and the technicals, I mean, I should be really looking to see this 0.97% BTC Ethereum valuation close above, because if we can see so, yeah, we can be really heading towards our next target, and the next target in the Fibonacci will be still a 24% increase with what we not even reached before. So as well, on the Ethereum compared to US dollar valuation, guys, we've been looking to the chart as well so many times here, and we've been really studying this chart, and we were really looking towards this resistance line over here. And you can see we were finding 1 hour resistance on this level, but right away we broke through it. I was really thinking, okay, we can be finding some major resistance on this level, but in the end of the day, we did not even find that hard resistance on this level, and we just easily smashed through it. And right now we are just heading towards higher targets. So yeah, it's absolutely lovely to see here, and hopefully we can still see a climb even higher. And of course, I mean, yeah, we took out already the previous high over here, but I also, to confirm my theory, I want to be seeing a close above the $2,950 in order for Ethereum to close above the previous high over here. And of course, if we are doing that, we are starting a higher high structure instead of a higher low structure, lower high structure. So that's of course very important to see here. I would like to see, of course, we are still in a lower low structure, and I would also like to see higher lows getting created to really give us the signal of the trend reversal. Besides that, also the 4 hour for the Ethereum price is dipping, is trading above the 50 index. Very important. Currently, we are also trading on horizontal support of the $2,517. What you can see over here, previous resistance. Oh, this is the wrong one. Previous resistance, and right now flipping into support. And you can see here massive support, meter resistance, massive support as well. So this is in general in the past a very important level that we're trading above to. In general as well, as you can see over here, if you're trading above this level, this is the next major resistance target around the the $2,911, what is also providing us major resistance over here. So yeah, the very realistic target to go towards. I mean, I don't see a breakdown from here on coming in. Yes, there is a possibility that we're going to touch the $2,517 multiple times here, but my next realistic target will be going towards the $2,904, what will be also another 12.5% move here. Coming together with the Bitcoin 10% move of the falling wedge here is very likely to reach. It's only a 2% outperformance for Bitcoin. So yeah, I do think that we can be seeing this target getting reached already today. So make sure to keep your eyes out on the channel and as well just on the charts, because yeah, if we're going to reach this target, this will be, of course, very exciting. But guys, also, what we can currently see over here is that we are starting another downtrend here, another downward sloping resistance line here on the Ethereum compared to US dollar 1 hour chart. And guys, this video already for 50 minutes long here. Let me know if you're still watching. Type Crypto Rover, oh my gosh, in the chat. Type that OMG, Crypto Rover, OMG in the chat here if you're still watching here. I will be not doing the 1, 2, 3 here, otherwise it's getting too easy. So guys, thank you still for watching here. And also a quick reminder, if you still have not smashed up that like button, make sure to do so right now. It will be amazing, of course, to support the channel. But you can see over here, downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, multiple touch points. And since then, we have not really seen the breakthrough yet. And as well, to create the volatility towards the 2,904 US dollars, I do want to be seeing, of course, the breakthrough of this level as well here. Because if we can't see this breakthrough of this level, we will be not seeing the volatility getting created and only rejection. So yeah, the breakthrough will be very important. Of course, if we are going to see the breakthrough, we will be definitely creating more volatility towards the upside, and we can be bouncing back towards higher support targets. So yeah, it will be very important to break approximately through the 2700 will be the approximate target. But once again, guys, I will be trying to keep and make an update once again once seeing such these key levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum getting broken. I will be, of course, making a video for you guys, but this is already it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It was, of course, a pretty long video, but I right now have to head out here. We'll be trying to upload this video as soon as possible. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I will check you guys back later on a new video on the channel, and peace out.